Let's see how to work with reference data using Nubra API. Open Nubra API documentation. Navigate to the Python SDK section. Click on Get Instruments. Nubra provides two reference datasets. The first is the instrument master, which contains all exchange-listed tradable instruments such as stocks, futures, and options. The second is the index master, which contains metadata for supported market indices like Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's start with the instrument master. By default, the SDK loads NSE instruments. If you want to fetch BSE instruments, you can explicitly pass exchange equals BSE. Now scroll to the basic usage example. Copy the example code and paste it into your editor. Run the script and complete authentication using your MPIN. The instrument data is returned as a pandas data frame in the terminal. You can fetch instruments by reference ID, trading symbol, Nubra name, or by using pattern-based filters. Now let's move to the index master section. Index master provides metadata for supported market indices. Copy the example code and paste it into your editor. Now run the script. You can now see the index data displayed in the terminal. Index master does not require authentication and is available as a public endpoint. This is how you retrieve reference data using Nubra API. Thanks for watching.